Does your SketchUp model look flat, boring, or just not realistic? In this video, I'll show you simple step-by-step tricks to turn it into a clean professional looking model. No plugins, no stress, just results. Is this your first time on SketchUp Modeling Academy? You're in the right place. Tap the subscribe button to join the community as we explore creative ideas together. Turn on the notifications so you never miss out. Step 1. Clean up your model. Delete unnecessary lines. Let's delete this. Group objects properly, the walls, windows, and the roof. If you have any guidelines, remove them. A messy model will always look unrealistic. Clean equals professional. Step 2. Fix materials. Let's improve materials. Adjust texture scale. This is very important. Select the material. Click on Edit. Here we have the scale. You can increase or reduce it. Always use simple and clean materials. Fixing this changes everything. Just a quick tip, if your SketchUp is lagging while working with materials or large models, using a powerful laptop like the Asus ROG G14 or Dell XP15 makes everything smoother and faster. These are perfect for 3D modeling and it will also save a lot of time. You can check the link in the description. Step 3. Add environment. Now let's make your model feel alive. Add a ground plane. Let's use the rectangle. It's okay. Apply a simple color or texture. Let's select, click on landscaping. We have some materials here. You can choose any of your choice. Let's try this. Select it. Now click on edit. Okay, I think this looks better. Let's add a green area around the environment. Select the surface. Use the offset tool. Let's offset 2000. Okay. Now we will create a capstone. Select this face. Offset 125. Now over here you don't need green area here, so use the line and join this to this point. Let's join this also. And let's delete this line. Okay, now you apply a different material here. Let's use this. Apply. Use the push pull and extrude 150 millimeters. Now here we apply a grass material. Let's use this. Now use the push pull and extrude 100. If you want to add a fence, you can simply add it. Let me quickly import a pre-modeled fence. Import. Okay, let me use this fence. Alright, I'll place it here. Let me rescale it. Make a copy of it. Place it down here. Use the flip tool and flip it. Let's copy it down here. The fence is optional. If you don't want to add a fence, it's still okay. If you skipped how we draw this floor plan in SketchUp and how we converted it to this 3D, I'll leave the link to the video in the description so you can check it out and follow along. Without environment, your model feels empty. Step 4. Add some modifications. Over here we have a railing. We are going to use glass railing. So let's select this, right click, edit group. Use the pick line. Let's pick a line from this point to here. Then the same thing from here to here. So we are going to make a copy of it, 5 millimeters. Here also 5 millimeters. This glass will end here, and this other one will end here. So we will change this to glass material. Click here, select glass. Let's use this. Cool. Now use the push pull. Let's extrude 750. Do the same thing here. We have the glass material here. As you can see, we are not seeing through the glass material. What I normally do is to select the internal surface, delete it. Now apply the glass material. Now you can see through it. Do the same thing here. Delete it. Apply the material. It's better now. Okay, now let's have the glass railing here. Make a copy of 5 millimeters. Use the glass material, apply. Let's extrude 750. Let's delete this, apply. Let's add some potted plants. Click on import. Go to your library folder. Let me use this. Import. Place it. Now use the rescale tool and rescale it. Let's place it here. Make a copy of it. Place it down here. Let's add brick walls around here. Select the wall, edit group, use the pick lines, pick from here. Select the line, make a copy of it. Let's use 75. Let's join this. We are going to use white color. Pick this color, apply there. Now use the push tool and extrude 50. Do the same thing here. Head over to this side. Let's split this wall also. Select the lines, make a copy of 75. Apply the material, extrude 50. Now let's select another material. Let's use the bricks. Okay, let's use this. Select this, apply. Let's apply here also. Let's import more potted plants. Alright, let's use this. Okay, let's place here. You can select this one and make a copy of it. Move it down here. Copy it down here also. You can as well add some trees. Place it. Adjust it. But the truth of the matter is most of the components like these trees does not look realistic. So if you are rendering with Enscape or Lumion, you can add the plants from there. It looks more realistic. So we are going to delete this. In subsequent video, I'll show you how to add some plants in Lumion and in Enscape. So if you want to add more modifications, you can add some lights. Let's import a light. Alright, let's use this. Select it, import. Let me place here first. Use the move tool and move down here. Now you can adjust it. Adjust the position. So even the wall lights, you can still add it. Let's use this. Import. Explode it. Let's delete this. You can make a copy of it. Let's copy down here. Let's copy this. this point too. If there is anything you do not understand, kindly drop it in the comment section. I will attend to it. And if you've not yet subscribed to the channel, hit the subscribe button. Let's grow together and explore more ideas. We can quickly add a simple window hood. Let's use the rectangle. Pick a point from here. Alright. Select it. Use the offset tool and offset 100 millimeters. Delete this. Now apply material. Let's use this color for now. Apply to it. Use the push pull and extrude 50 millimeters. Now select it, triple click it, make a group. You can copy it and place in other windows. Let's place it here. Adjust it. Do the same thing for all the windows. Okay, we have it here. For the fence, you can hide it at the moment. We'll turn it on when we want to render it. Let's hide this. If you are new to SketchUp and don't know how to use the essential SketchUp tools, I made a video on how to use it. I will leave the link in the description for you to check it out. Step 5. Camera and scenes. Now let's set up good views. We are going to create a scene from this view. But before then, click on camera, change to 2-point perspective. We have 2-point perspective now. Click on view, animation, add scene. So if you want to add another view, select the view you want to add. Let's add this view. Let me turn on the 2-point perspective, view, animation, add scene. You can add as much as you wish. Good presentation equals more professional look. For a faster navigation and productivity, a mouse like the Logitech MX Master 3X is a game changer, especially when working in 3D space. I will leave the link in the description. I will also leave the link to other products that will step up your workflow. And just like that, your model now looks cleaner, more realistic, and presentation ready. Just a proper setup inside SketchUp. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe. And in the next video, I will show you how to take this model into Lumion and create a realistic rendering.